So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn like how to calculate the energy requirement for PMR. So this question is definitely going to come in your exam. This question is of biochemistry. Okay, so let us start calculating the body requirement for BMR. Okay, so first what you will do is the BMR at 24 calorie per kg per day. So what this is trying to tell us, there is a fixed value of BMR. Okay, so this 24 which is there, it is a fixed value in which we used to calculate. So next what we used to do is we should take this value 24 and we should write the patient's weight. So for example, let me take 45. Okay, so when you calculate 24 into 45, it is 1080. Okay, so you should be very speed in calculating mathematics. So there is a condition where in step 1 in which you see BMR for female. Okay, for female while calculating you should take 0.9 and for male you should take 1. Okay, so let us see. So we'll calculate, the question might come like calculate the BMR. We should mention the weight, sex and the duration of the work. Okay, duration in the form whether the person is moderate worker or heavy worker, okay, or light worker. So for this what I am solving the question will be calculate the BMR of female in which the weight is 45 kg. Okay, and she is moderate worker. So let us see. So in step 1 you will see whether the patient is male or female. If female then you will do 0.9, if male then 1. Okay, then what you will do is if the patient is female then you will take 0.9. This is very important point. Okay, into the weight of the patient where it is 45 and the fixed value that is 24. So the answer will be 972 calories per day. Okay, then what you will do is in step 2 we'll see the physical activity. As I said, in the question there was a female patient who is moderate worker and the weight is 45. Okay, so she is moderate worker. Let us take 40% of BMR. Then 40% means definitely while calculating you will take 0.4 into the BMR. What is there? It is 972. So 0.4 into 972 will be 389 calories. Okay, so then what you will do is coming to the step 3. In step 3 you will take SDA. So in SDA what is there? 10% of BMR plus physical activity. Then you will be thinking what is this fix? I mean the 10%. This is also the fixed value, has 24 is a fixed value. You should remember it. Okay, so now what you will take is 10% in the form of calculating you will take 0.1% into the BMR. What was there? 972 plus physical activity which is there 389, this one. Okay, then the answer will be, first you will take this one and if you add this both then you will get 1361. Then while you will do multiplication, you will get what will be the 0.1, the 10% of this value. Okay, so it will be 136 kc calories. Then this is the last step, step 4. In this step, what you will do is you will take total energy, and that is calculating the BMR plus physical activity and SDA. You will add all the values till now what all you got. Okay, so BMR was 972 plus PA, which is physical activity, that is 389, plus SDA, which is 136. So the adding this, the total value will be 1497 calories per day. So this was your answer for the question. A female who is moderate worker of weight 45 kg. So this is the way, a very easiest way for calculating the BMR. Okay, so the fixed values, as I said, this 10% and this 24. The only changing value will be the 45, the weight, whatever the weight is there of male or female, and here for female it is 0.9 and for male it is 1. Got it? If you understand this, please like, share and understand. Okay, subscribe to the channel.